when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky. A big catch.
Bucky, are they biting yet?
You can see they're not. Look at the rod.
What do I know? This is my first time. Are you getting bites, Bjorn? Hey, your thingy's sinking.
I've got a bite. Yes! Hey, you seem a little bit uptight there, Bjorn. Fisher bears have to be cool and calm. Like me. It's a bite. A bite. Come on, guys. Help me pull it. Hurry. It's enormous, guys. I think it's a whale.
That's not a fish.
Yeah, those will fry up nice. But yesterday, I caught a fish that was this big. It was a whopper.
There aren't fish that big around here. There are only little ones, Bucky. It's so big.
Did you see that? Hey, Bjorn, come on! I big fat mega super wish that I will catch that giant fish!
A bite. Oh, wow. I'm fine.
I've got a huge bite!
He's so very strong.
He's some kind of super fish!
Know what, guys? I think the fish just wants us to play with him.
No way! I mean, it's only a fish.
All right. I know how. We're gonna catch him. This is the ancient northern way of fishing. We sit down next to the water, then we put our paws onto our noses. Yes. Good.
Bjorn, why are our paws on our noses?
We're covering them so we blend in with all the white snow.
Bjorn, what snow? It's summer!
Shh! There he is!
Yeah!
Chicky, no!
I caught him, guys!
That fish thinks you're real funny.
We got that, Franny, thanks. This just got real. Bjorn, listen up. To catch the fish, we need to do everything that the fish does. We need to become fish ourselves. Cool, Franny, right? Do we look like fish?
Nope.
Yeah, but we will once we get in the water. All right, let's get wet.
Bucky, this dumb suit makes it kind of hard to swim.
It's not a suit. We have to believe that we're actually fish.
I'm a fish. I'm a fish. I'm a...
Listen here, fish. I will not be mocked in this manner. Do you hear me?
So, here's a thought. We go fishing underwater.
Nah, we should build a high-tech fishing rod.
No, we should fish underwater.
No, high-tech fishing rod. Last one to catch the fish is a huge, moldy, rotten egg.
But fellas, I really think the fish just wants to play with us.
Take the battle to the foe.
Screw and weld, just like so.
Mask, snorkel, dart gun, shoes.
Big fat genius brain to use. My high-tech rod is looking fine.
That laughing fish will soon be mine. Don't be amused, fish. Just beware. Here come the mighty Bjorn and
Bucky Bear. Let's go. Time to get caught. Bjorn, is that you? It's Bucky. I honestly didn't know it was you.
Your rod thinks we're fish. Can you get us out of this crazy thing?
Of course I can. That lever there, way over there, will do it. Yeah, we're not going anywhere.
Hi there, boys! You look very, very silly!
Oh, good, Franny. Hey, Franny, do you think you can get us down from here?
Well, sure, but how?
Well, good. The fish has come back.
So, I guess you came back to have a good laugh, right? Whoa!
Gosh, Fishy, thanks for that.
What was that? thought the fish just wanted to make fun of us.
That wasn't it. Like I told you, he just wanted to play with us.
I big fat mega super wish to play with my new friend the fish. Franny's best friend.
Having so much fun in the winter sun. I'm making a snow dude, and now he's done. Spring's on the way.
The space clams are attacking! Run for cover, lads!
Hey, boys! Hey, can I play, guys?
Take that! You're working for the space clams.
Hi, guys. Can I play with you?
Well, you can be the reserve, Franny. Wait by that tree till you get called up.
Goody, goody, goody!
Warlord Bjorn, prepare to be demolished! 'Twas an epic tale of guts and glory. The Space Clam Snowboard battle story! The snowballs flew with such great speed, you couldn't tell who was in the lead. Yes, every brutal, brilliant deed was awesome! Just watch the frozen battle blossom!
Aha, a target.
Bjorn, look at this! Bucky isn't here!
That's not fair! She's helping your side!
While I was just sitting there, I got tired of waiting for you to call for me.
Our battles are pretty intense.
Bjorn's right. A little kid like you could get hurt, Franny. You should go do something else. You're right! I was a Space Clam double agent all along! Clam attack!
Those guys never want me to play with them. Guess I'm not any fun. Well, if I had a best friend, we would play all the time. And he would never think I'm too little to do stuff. Hello there. Let me give you a name. Bonbon. Let's be friends. It's Franny and Bonbon. My lonely days are gone. Look what's going on. Fun that never ends, 'cause we're best friends. Franny and Bonbon. Bonbon and Franny. So good together. It's just uncanny. Having so much fun in the winter sun. You're the best friend. You're number one. Wow, Bonbon, I totally lost track of time. Have a great night, Bonbon, dear. Have sweet dreams.
And things are going swimmingly here on the maiden voyage of the SS Crafty Rafty, making excellent time. What a vessel! Attention, Mr. Bjorn. We've hit some blockage.
No problem, Admiral. Bjorn's on it.
Whoa, Franny, hi! Do you want to play with us? You could be a stowaway.
Sorry, can't do it, 'cause Bonbon's waiting for me. I've even got a present for him.
Who? Do you know who Bonbon is?
Bonbon's my extra special friend. We have the best times. I really do have to go. Bye now!
This seems kind of mysterious.
And where there's a mystery, there's a case for the Bear Detectives! Yeah!
Good morning, Bonbon. Bonbon, what happened to you, buddy? No fair. The spring just melted my best friend. Help me! Help!
Franny, don't worry. We're here.
The Bear Detectives excel at rescues! At least I think we would if we ever rescued anyone. Franny, hold on tight! Ugh.
There goes what's left of the bestest friend I never had.
Close one. Hey, Franny, what's going on with this Bonbon?
Bjorn and Bucky, Bonbon was just a pretend friend, but he melted. But he'll be back to play with me next winter, if I rebuild him, of course. Oh, Chicky, thanks! You brought me the season's first flower.
It's beautiful. Spring might have melted your friend, but it does lots of good stuff.
Guys, I know the best meadow in the whole forest. The first flowers of the season completely cover it.
We'll pick the best bouquet in the world for our special friend, Franny.
You guys are the most wonderful bears ever! My most specialist friends. Promise me you'll never melt.
We'll try our best.
Bucky FM. Shovel full. Shovel
I'm tired
full.
of this. Ugh.
Shovel full. Ugh.
So, Bjorn, when do you think our skating rink will be ready?
It should be done by tonight, I hope.
Tonight? So we have to keep shoveling until then? Whoa! Awesome idea! Some music would make the work less terrible. I'll be right back. There! Now here's a little delightful music for us to shovel snow by.
Thanks, Bucky. I think you'd make an awesome disc jockey like on the radio.
On the radio? Time to broadcast some awesome! Hey, groovy people here and there. Hey, groovy people everywhere. The world's smartest awesome bear will soon be live and on the air. Checkity check check. Is this thing on? Hello there, dear radio audience friends. Welcome to Radio Free Bucky.
Bucky, what about the ice rink work?
Coming at you live, this is the Buckmeister, the forest's coolest DJ playing the forest's hottest tunes.
All right! It's the awesomest!
Right? So I've got my own show on the radio. I'll be playing you super sweet music night and day.
All right, fine. But we need to fetch some water for the rink.
Hang on. Do you guys hear anything?
Nah, nothing, dude.
Massive problem, guys. There's no sound. My radio show isn't on. That's just plain wrong. Relax, mammals. Radio Free Bucky is back on the air.
Tell us what's going on with you, Bucky.
Are you just going to sit inside all day long, Bucky?
Yes, I am. These righteous tunes aren't going to announce themselves. This next remarkably upbeat song is dedicated to yours truly. Sing along. You know the words.
Playing games when there's sunny weather.
Sunny weather.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
Books together.
Every
Yeah.
day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
Lucky, extra lucky.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky.
That's right.
Just
Yeah.
like Bjorn and Bucky.
Radio Free Bucky. At the sound of the tone, it'll be midnight o'clock. Sorta late. And now your favorite DJ, the Buckmeister, will read a bedtime story just for you. Bucky's Sleepy Time Tales. The story starts. Little Red Riding Hood built 3 houses of straw and sticks and bricks. No, wait. Oh, she sold her glass slipper to the goose that laid golden eggs for 5 magic beans. And then, space monkeys attack. The end. Sweet dreams. Good morning, dainty little listening ears. It's a new day of Radio Free Bucky. And it's time for, I don't know, a song or something that you can do your morning exercises to. That's a thing.
I think Bucky was at it all night. Franny, we've got to stop this madness.
Yeah, we'll never have a decent hockey game without him.
You're right. I might have an idea. When your friend has disappeared into a feedback loop of weird, just show him what he's missing, and maybe then he'll listen.
And now for the news of the morning. Huh? What's that sound? What's going on out there? Oh, right! A hockey game! Right. Bjorn shoots. Off the boards. He recovers the puck and passes to Franny. Oh, and she takes a tumble.
All right, he's watching us. Just keep messing up like that.
Bjorn moves to take a shot. Oh, and misses the puck
Gosh,
completely.
missed it, huh?
You call that hockey? Franny passes. Bjorn shoots again. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Who plays like that? That's it. I'm going down there.
Yay! Bucky, here on the ice with us.
Here's how you play hockey. Bjorn, pass. Goal! Ha! Oh, yeah. Let's play to 10, Bjorn.
Bucky, but But what about your radio show?
I don't really know, but these goals aren't gonna score themselves. Franny, you're on my team. Come on. First to 10 wins. Let's get started. Franny passes to Bucky. He drives down the ice and scores. And Bjorn scores. Franny's in control of the puck. Looking good,